We all have one thing in common. As human being, we are completely filled with a desire. हम रात दिन सपने देखते हैं और उसे पाने की कोशिश करते हैं. We have desire to get a good college like IIT Bombay, BHU. We have a desire to have a good placement like in Google, like in Microsoft. We have a desire to start our own company like Flipkart. And along with that, we have a desire with a wonderful life partner. And finally, we have a desire to make millions, reach millions, and live the life the way we want. Do you know, it is impossible to achieve your desire unless and until you convert your desire into a burning desire. ऐसा मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, ऐसा मैंने किताब में पढ़ा है. Recently, I have read a book which is published way back in 1938, and till now more than 15 million copies of book is sold. And this book is formed after analysis and research of 25 years over more than 500 successful persons like Andrew Carnegie, John D. Rockefeller, Henry Ford, to find out what is their secret formula of success. And the book name is Think and Grow Rich. And Napoleon Hill is right of these books. Now talk about desire. You know what is my desire? My desire as a YouTuber to monetize my channel. YouTube से मुझे पैसे कमाने के लिए अपने चैनल को मोनेटाइज करना है और मेरे चैनल का नेम पवन लोक है. And I will try to convert that desire into a burning desire by applying 6 principles from the book Think and Grow Rich. And even you can apply the same principle to convert your desire into a burning desire. Now, step number 1, and it is fix what exactly you want. For example, in my case, if I have to monetize my channel, then I must have to complete 1000 subscribers and more than 4000 watching hours. So please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and watch the video completely so that I can complete one desire, one step of the desire. So take another example. If you want to make millions or make a lot of money, then you have to think about what exact amount of money you want. It may be 1 lakh, it may be 2 lakh, it may be 1 crore, it may be 10 crore. What you want? That is step number 1 of converting your desire into a burning desire. Come to step number 2, which is find out what you give to get that desire. For example, in my case, if I want to monetize my channel, then I have to give my best over my content, and I have to give a regular content. Along with that, I have to make my thumbnail, my description, my title more attractive so that people can watch it. In case of money, you have to think that what you give, either you give service or you deliver a product so that people can give money to you. That is step number 2 of converting your desire into the burning desire. Number 3, which is exact time on which you want to accomplish your desire. For example, I have decided to monetize my channel on 31st December 2021. मुझे अपने चैनल को इस साल के अंत तक मोनेटाइज कर लेना है. So you know, time is really very important. And while deciding your timeline or your deadline, you find your time interval. For example, I have the 5 months to do all these things, and it becomes so that you can take a steps very seriously. So that is the 3rd steps to converting your desire into the burning desire. That is the time. What is the exact time you want to accomplish your desire? Come to 4th steps of converting your desire into the burning desire, and it is really very important. And the 4th step is planning. You know, you have heard a quote, and the quote is that if you can't plan to succeed, then you plan to fail. So we cannot deny the importance of planning. Plan everything, like what event or activity you have to do first, how much time required, how much money required, how many people required, and along with that, you have to analyze or change your plan whenever required. That is also a part of planning. So I have planned to to make 50 videos in that 5 months. So it comes down to 10 video in a week, and for me it is not an easy game, but I plan to do it. Anyway, I will give my best, and I have choose the topic like stock market, like the books, like personal stories, and the different time interval for each and every video. So that is the fourth steps to converting your desire into the burning desire. That is the planning. Now come to step number 5th. This is very simple. In step number 6th, we have to write down with that 4 steps on a single piece of paper. Your first step, what you exactly want. Your second step, what you really give. Your third steps, what exact time, and the fourth steps. Fourth step, the planning. Don't forget, the planning is very important. So that is the 5th step to converting our desire into the burning desire. Come to the last step, or the 6th step of converting our desire into the burning desire, and it is read your written statement twice in a day aloud. First when you wake up in the morning, and second when you go to bed. And while doing this, believe in yourself that you have already achieved your goals. जब आप ऐसा कीजिए तो आपको ये लगे कि आपको ऑलरेडी वो मिल चुका है. मुझे ये रियलाइज होना चाहिए कि मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल मोनेटाइज हो चुका है, हम अब उससे पैसा जनरेट कर पा रहे हैं. एंड यू नो द 6th स्टेप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको ऐसा करने से आपको अपने ऊपर बिलीफ होगा कि अपने ड्रीम्स के ऊपर वो पूरा हो रहा है. So these are the all 6 steps to converting our desire into the burning desire. I hope you enjoy this video, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this. This is Pawan signing out for a new video.